Create a fill color animation like Ali Abdaal in Premiere Pro. In the Effects panel, search for crop and drag it into your video. Now select your video, set left and right to 25%, top to 10, and bottom to 45. Set these values depending on your videos until the subject is visible in the cropped section. Now to round the corners of the video like Ali's video, search for roughen edges and drag it into your video. Set border to 50, edge sharpness to 10, and fractal influence to 0. Now to create the color layout from video itself, hold down the Alt key and drag your video to the above track to create a duplicate from it. Search for Paint Bucket and add it to the top track. Set Fill Selector to Alpha Channel and color to a color you like. Now move the playhead to the position you want the animation to start, and uncheck Uniform Scale checkbox. Click on Scale Height to see the handles in the preview and drag this small blue circle to the top of the rectangle. Set Scale Height to 0 and click on Stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key twice to go forward 10 frames and set Scale Height to 100. Now we have this animation. To smoothen the animation, select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. Also, expand Scale Height and drag these two handles to increase the curve. To move the rectangle up and see the video again, first move the playhead to your desired position. Click on the circle button to create a keyframe with current value. Go forward 10 frames and set Scale Height to 0. Select new keyframes, add ease in and ease out to them, and increase the curve if you want. Press the Enter key to render the video. One last tip is, now that we duplicated the video and used Paint Bucket effect on it, on a low computer like mine, we have performance issues. Instead of doing that, we could just create a simple rectangle, but I wanted the size of the rectangle to be exactly the same as the video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.